Hi, everybody. Welcome to Video Sessions, Tips of the Week Video Sessions with yours truly, Matt Mariglia. And as always, any video, live or otherwise, is brought to you by hashtag #OneStarPoint. Today, we're going to take a look in this Tips of the Week video session at how to create banners and headers for your Google Classroom classes and other things. So maybe when you learn how to make these banners, you might apply them to other things in your slides, presentations, and docs, maybe part of your email. A lot of places you can use these when you teach these to students and to other teachers. So let's get started. Let's take a look at a Google Classroom that I have already here open. This is one of my fake Mr. M's Google Class. And you can see that in behind my Google Class here, there's a banner or header. And I can change this by selecting a theme. And there's a lot of patterns and different things there, but there's also a upload portion where I can upload a photo if I'd like, and I can select it from my computer. Well, we can create our own photos to make our banners look kind of cool. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So first, we'll go into Drive. I guess that's a great place to be. And we'll start with New, and we will go down to More, and we'll pick a little app that Google has called Google Drawings. Not used too much. The kids actually kind of use this quite a bit because they like to create different things with this. We're going to name our drawing. Let me call it my classroom header. And the way to make a banner, you can see I have this square kind of pixely place, this PNG place that's here. And I'm going to go up to File, and I'm going to change the page setup. Instead of Standard, I'm going to go to Custom, and I'm going to pick Pixels. And my pixel that I choose to pick is I'm going to pick 1600 by 400. And I'm going to hit OK. Notice that's going to change that. Now I'm going to start to create what it looks kind of like a banner. And I can put whatever I want into it. One of the things I like to put into it are Bitmojis. So I'm going to click on my Bitmoji here. And let's pick, I'm going to pick this one. I'm going to copy it, paste it in there. So I want that to be in my banner somehow. You shrink it just a little bit. It's best not to put them right to the edges because there is some cropping that you'll have to do once you get it. So I'm going to put that there. And then I'm also going to add some simple word art to it. And I'm going to say, welcome to Mr. M's class. Hit enter. Pops that word art in there. I'll shrink it just a little bit here. I'm going to change the color to a nice red. I'm going to outline it with a little bit of a brighter color. Not that I'm the most art-savvy person in the world. Something simple, nothing crazy. And I'm going to do one other thing. I'm going to put a shape in behind it to give it a little bit of color. Obviously, I want it to be a different color, and I'm going to set it to the back. That's bright yellow, I know, using it for effect. And I have my little banner here. So let me move it a little bit. Move this over. We're going to move this one over a little bit. Doing a little editing here. Nothing crazy. I didn't do anything really crazy. I can change the font to this word art if I want to make it look a little different. Let's say I want to use that, make it look a little different. Now the key part is once I made this quick little banner, is I want to save it as a picture. So I'm going to go down to download here, and I'm going to download it as a JPEG. You can download as a PNG. PDF is not going to work, but I want to download it as a picture, a JPEG. Okay, it's going to put it down there. Now, when I go into my Google Classroom here, and I go to upload a photo, I can now search for this on my computer. And it's going to go right to my downloads. There's my classroom header. I'm going to hit open. Now, once it comes up, it's going to give me a box that I have to use to kind of fit everything in. Notice it doesn't fit perfectly. So I might have to widen it out a little bit. It's not going to be perfect. And this is where you can go back into your drawing and play with it again and then re-download it. But let's select that. And voila, I have a beautiful banner that I can use in all my Google Classroom classes, or I can make different ones for different classes. There's multiple uses for this. I can use this banner, again, for slides. I can put it in I could save these banners as JPEGs and put them in smartboard presentations. So I can use these banners for a lot of things. And I just think it looks a little nicer. And you might even get kids say, hey, how did you do that? I want to learn how to make a banner. And you might even want to, maybe do a short little lesson on how to make banners for their presentations and to put in docs and things. So that's how you do that. Hope you enjoyed this video session, Tips of the Week video session with yours truly, Matt Mariglia, as always brought to you by One Star Point. Enjoy.